Reactions pouring in after Texas evoked its constitutional right to defend itself from an invasion. At least 14 governors declared that they stand behind Texas. The state's attorney general now says they might soon take it a step further and start deporting people. NTD's Arian Pastar has more on the border showdown.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott on Wednesday officially declared he will not follow requests from the Biden administration to vacate the U.S.-Mexico border. Abbott published this statement saying President Biden has refused to enforce immigration laws and has even violated them. Because of that, Abbott will now invoke Texas constitutional authority to defend and protect itself. So far, at least 14 Republican governors from across the country have announced they stand behind Texas, one of them being the governor of Louisiana.
Under our Constitution, states are still sovereign, and we have the right to protect our citizens.
Also on Thursday, the Texas Attorney General appeared on The Benny Show, saying that instead of evacuating, Texas will take things a step further.
More razor wire, we're going to start deporting people, I think, in March. And once they start deporting people, I'm sure the Biden administration will love that.
Meanwhile, illegal immigration is having a real-life impact in places across the U.S. This footage circulating this week shows that immigrants are being housed at Boston's airport. Now that's because the state of Massachusetts doesn't have any place left to house them. However, it is also the only state in the U.S. with a so-called right to shelter law. This means the state has to provide housing to anyone who needs it. And lastly, Republican Senator Bill Hagerty on Thursday talked about the bill he's putting forward.
We need to make certain that only citizens are counted for the purposes of allocating congressional districts and electoral votes.
He says it's not right for blue cities to gain congressional seats just because illegal immigrants who aren't actually allowed to vote live there. Arian Pastar, NTD News.